Hello 5th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we'll discuss about the worksheet 3 of numbers up to 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Now we are introducing the 9-digit number. Okay, that is a 10 crores. Now write the number names of the following numerals. Same as a worksheet 2, same method but 1 digit extra. Now write the number name. First it is a ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. So it is 41 crores, 26 lakhs, 81,500, 5. Is it clear? So tell the periods together, then write the name of the period, then go to the next period, like that. Okay, so ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So it is 80 crores. Now in lakhs, what is it? Only 8 lakhs. Then it is 80,000. And in ones place, nothing is there. Next, question number C. It is ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 60 crores. 3 lakhs. Then 58,000. Next it is 241. Isn't it? Now coming to question number D. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 94 crores. 23 lakhs. Now 1000, nothing is there, directly 841. So you remember the rule, isn't it? So periods, the digits in the periods have to be read together. Now ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 37 crores. This is 40 lakhs. Now thousands, nothing is there, then directly 1. Now coming to question number F. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 90 crores. Directly 9. Next, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 91 crores. Lakhs, nothing is there. 5,000. Then it is 369. Okay. Now coming to the question number H. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, 29 crores, 35 lakhs, thousands nothing is there, directly 19. Okay, coming to question number I, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, 51 crores, 8 lakhs, 7,000, then it is 4. Okay, that was question number 1. Write the number names of the following numerals. Hope everyone understood. सबको समझ में आया होगा. Now coming to the question number 2, it is complete the table by writing the period, place and the place value of the encircled digit. So table दिया गया है, उसमें से आपको जो सर्कल किया गया है वो डिजिट का पीरियड, प्लेस एंड प्लेस वैल्यू लिखने का है. तो छोटे नंबर्स का ऑलरेडी आप किए हैं वही मेथड. सो फर्स्ट चेक, इट इज वन पीरियड के लिए 1000 lakhs and crores, isn't it? So first you write the period crores and this is in a 10 crore, place is 10 crore and 4 10 crore में है, इसके लिए place value आएगा 40 crores, isn't it? Now coming to the question number B, it is ones, thousands, lakhs. So it is lakhs, it is in 10 lakhs place. The number is 8, so it will be 80 lakhs. 8 into 10 lakh is 80 lakh. Next coming to question number C, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. First write the period crores and the place is crores only. Now 2 into 1 crore is 2 crore. Yes or no? Hope you are understanding. Now coming to the question number D, ones, thousands. So period is thousands and which is the place? 1000, 10,000. Now 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. Now coming to question number E, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. It's crores. Next it is 10 crores. 6 into 10 crores is 60 crores. Okay. Coming to the question number F, ones, thousands, lakhs. Period is lakhs and the place again it is lakhs. Now 2 into 1 lakh or lakh is equal to 2 lakh. Okay, that was question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3, it is write the numeral using the commas between the periods. Means number name दिया गया है, आपको इसका न्यूमरल लिखने का है. तो 61 crore. So first जहाँ वो पीरियड का नाम बोलते हैं, उधर कॉमा डालने का है ना। सो 61 crore 13 lakh 13 lakh 48,048 900 900. Now coming to question B, 11 crore 11 36,000 lakhs में नहीं है तो 2 zeros we have to put. Now 36,000 36 16 100 में नहीं दिया, so 016. Next question number C, 19 crore 19 3 lakh 10 lakh में नहीं दिया है, so it is 03. ठीक है. Now 701 1000 में कुछ नहीं है, 2 zeros 701 it is 701. Hope you are understanding. Coming to question number D, 50 crore 50 49 lakh 49 35,000 35 10 100 में नहीं दिया है तो 010. Now 80 crore 80 lakhs में कुछ नहीं बोले हैं तो 2 zeros 1000 में भी कुछ नहीं है, 2 zeros and directly 80 means 100 में कुछ नहीं है, 080. Now 35 crore 35 1 lakh means 10 lakh में नहीं है, 1 कैसे लिखते हैं, 01. 1000 again 01. Now 1 100 में नहीं है, टेंस में नहीं है, 1. ठीक है. Coming to question number G, it is 21 crore 21 30 lakh 30 फिर 709 मतलब 1000 में नहीं दिया है, 2 zeros 709. Okay. Now coming to the last question, 14 crore 14 Now 1 lakh is written as 01 Now 1000 nothing is there, directly 2 means 100 tens then 2. So remember the places to the right side of the digit, which are the places, and if that place no digit is mentioned, then you have to put zeros. Hope you have understood the worksheet 3, isn't it? That was about the 9-digit numbers. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.